up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another video for y'all. If you guys click this video, you read the title, you know exactly why you're here. This is a how-to video on how to take off the hitch cover on the SRT Jeep. I think it might apply to other Jeeps and other cars as well, but if you want to hook up a trailer or you want to hook up a bike rack or anything like that, this video is for you. When I first wanted to learn how to take it off, I found a couple videos on YouTube that helped me, and I thought, why not make one myself? So here y'all go. I'm about to do this for y'all. Comment down below if you guys want more how-to videos on anything around the Jeep, you feel me, like any maintenance or any other small things that y'all want to know how to do. Let me know in the comment section below if I should keep doing these videos. So yeah, I'm about to get to it. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's go. Alright, so got this little top for my knees, but if y'all see, we got this little notch right here on this side, and on this side we got another one. What you want to do is just basically twist. It should come undone. Twist this side, it should come undone, and then boom. Pops it right off. Simple as that. And they stay in there as they release. So, boom. And you got your hitch. Simple as that. And this is it. Got my nice bike rack that I got. And this is what it look like now. Now that I took the hitch cover off and put my bike rack on there. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, I see, got the full bike rack. But yeah, the hitch is off. I ain't gonna lie, this is crazy. It's hours later, I just realized that I didn't do an outro. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do other videos like this, other how-to vids, small little vids, quick vids, you feel me? Let me know in the comment section below if I should do that. Make sure you guys get this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram at SRTBUBZ. I'm going crazy on there. TikTok, you can follow me at SRTBUBZ. On Twitch, you can follow me at BadLuckBubs. And yeah, go ahead, hit that subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. Peace.